What a way to start off a week, Monday morning. We've got beautiful fabrics. Let me show them to you. They are from Italy and France. They are all wovens. They are such a beautiful collection. This is a gold. I think you can see the jacquard weave. It's just a really pretty pattern in there. It's 100% cotton. Just lovely, just absolutely lovely. Pants, dress, jacket, and then everything in this group coordinates. So I put it all together. This, again, 100% cotton. I just wish you could see close-up of this weave. It's almost like it's textured in there. It's really beautiful. Sometimes the back helps us understand the front. But anyway, this is 100% cotton also. Really beautiful from Italy. One of these pieces was from France. Nope, that's Italy. This is a beautiful diamond quilted pattern. You can see both the quilting that goes through both sides. This has just a little bit of poly in it. It's 100%. It's a cotton. It's a high percent cotton, but it's got a little bit of poly in it. It's just really, really pretty. And then the coordinates to this, you can see tone on tone would be stunning in this. This is a linen. And it's a linen, again, got just a little bit of poly. Both sides are usable on this. Beautiful drape, beautiful piece of fabric. This is the same as the gold, but it's a brick color, cotton, 100% cotton, again, Italian. Just a really beautiful piece. And then just to cap it off, this lovely silk, and you can see it blends beautifully with all the colors. Isn't that gorgeous? It's only 50 inches wide, but 100% silk. And it is lovely. So they're just beautiful fabrics. So the goal is, of course, happy sewing.